Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Param and I am back with another exciting video. So a few days back I was on a group video chat with some of my friends and one of them was wearing jeans and t-shirt and heading out to buy some important stuff. So we got discussing on the kind of makeup looks that could go well with jeans and t-shirt. Now when you're wearing jeans and t-shirt, which is a casual outfit, you would not want to go for a glam makeup and instead you should go for something which is subtle and light, almost like a no makeup look. So in this video, I am sharing this simple makeup look which you can recreate with minimum products. But before we begin, if you're new here and visiting this channel for the first time, I am Param, a professional makeup artist, and I post weekly videos on hairstyling and makeup. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon to turn on the notifications. Now let's begin this video, which is dedicated to all my friends who love wearing jeans and t-shirt. Since we are going for a very light makeup today, skincare becomes super important. A well-hydrated and prepped skin will help you minimize the layers of makeup and also keep your skin glowing for a longer period of time. So we are going to be beginning first with skincare. During the winter, since my skin becomes a little dry, I am going to be using a moisturizing cream from Cetaphil today. Take a few minutes to massage the moisturizing cream into your skin. For the under eyes, I am going to be using the Bobbi Brown Hydrating Eye Cream. Massage it using your ring finger with very little pressure. For my lips, I am going to be using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a super hydrating lip balm which I found to be very useful even for chapped lips in the winters. It is a very good idea to keep the skin prep on for at least a good 10-15 minutes before you start your makeup. Beginning with the primer now, I am going to be using the Benefit Porefessional. I am going to be applying it only on the areas where I have visible pores. I am not using it on the entire face. To conceal my under eye darkness as well as my acne scars, I am going to be beginning with a concealer and I am using the MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NC44. Blending the concealer in place with a damp beauty blender. You can also use your fingers to blend your concealer, but I am more comfortable using a damp beauty blender. Also applying the same concealer on my eyelids. I am going over with the beauty blender on my neck without applying any product. The beauty blender already has a certain amount of concealer in it which will get transferred onto my neck. I am okay with the coverage that the concealer has already given me, so I am skipping the foundation today. If you feel the need for it, please go ahead and apply your foundation at this stage. I do have a few of my marks and scars still peeking through. But today I am not going to be focusing on covering all my marks and scars. This is because we are going to be having a very light makeup today, so I do not want to add any extra layers of makeup. I want to keep it as natural looking as possible. Now to set my concealer in place, I have to be using a powder product. So I am using the pressed powder from MAC in the shade Medium Dark. I am using a powder puff and pressing the powder onto my skin. This will lead the cream products to absorb the powder and set in place. Next, I am using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit and adding a little dimension to my face. I am also using the same bronzer as my eyeshadow. I am going to be applying it with a fluffy blending brush on my crease line. Next, I am going to fill my eyebrows. I usually use an eyebrow kit, but whenever I am in a hurry, I reach out for an eyebrow pencil. Today, I am going to be using a Sephora eyebrow pencil in the shade Chocolate Brown. I first brush the hair downwards to expose the sparse areas and then fill in with the eyebrow pencil. For my Kajal, instead of a regular black, I am going to be using a dark brown Kajal from Lakme. Next, for the blusher, I am picking the shade number 27 from Sephora. Also applying the same blusher on my eyelids. Remember to keep it very light. If you want to open up your eyes a little more and also make them appear a little bigger, then you should go for a mascara. I am going to be applying one from L'Oreal, and this is the Volume Million Lashes Mascara. If you are habituated to applying an eyeliner, you can apply it before applying the mascara. Also, if you are interested in a highlighter, you can go ahead and apply it. But I usually do not apply a highlighter, so I am going to be skipping it today. And I am going to be jumping straight into the lipstick. Today I am using the Lakme Forever Matte Lip Color in the shade Coral Candy. Instead of directly applying the lipstick onto my lips, I am using a flat brush because I want a hint of color on my lips and not an opaque lip color. The brush gives me adequate control to apply a very thin layer of the product at a time. So there you go, that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And before I leave, I must remind you to like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon to turn the notifications on. If you try this look, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle @ParamNC. I will be waiting for your comments and suggestions. And I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.